Okie doke, hello and welcome. I am going to just have another little experiment today. I have got these Prism Pour paints from Colour Art that Capriole Shabby Chic sent to me. So I have thinned them down because I want to blow them out. I want to see if they'll do a Dutch pour or a chaos blow, whatever you want to call it. And so I've thinned them down with only water. So haven't added anything else, just water. And I've got these different colours. I've got each one of these colours, which one is the Neptune's Gaze, Chantilly Lace, Violet Rose, Royal Sapphire, and Peach Delilah Pink Diamond. So those are the colours that I've got mixed up in here, just with water only. And I'm going to put them just on a normal base of my clear glue and water PM pouring medium. So the information's in the drop down box, so I'll just quickly speed through this bit of me putting my excuse me, base coat down. One thing I do want to tell you, I've used phthalo blue along with the iridescent medium to give this really sparkly sapphire blue. It's really gorgeous. So I just wanted to tell you this because I'm sure that somebody will ask me. So I just speed through these bits for you. I've just got to grab. Yeah. Okay, let's get going. How do I want to do this one? Rightio. Okie doke, done that now. So that's my base, and yes, I'm going to try these colours and see what I get, and just mixed with water, as I said. So I'm going to actually just pour puddles of each one. Looks as though I might not need to use all of them, but give it a go, hey. It's just random. Not even sure whether this will work. It might be one big mess, but you know, you've got to try it. Could be a disaster, could be a master. You just don't know till you try. Should I put a green in here? Should I? I might actually put a green out here. I might do little. So I blow this further out maybe first. Who knows, hey? Give it a go. Might look like a leafy foliage of some description. Let's give it a try. And then I'm going to put this Chantilly lace, which is like iridescent. So hopefully that will really sparkle in the other colours. It's going into like, what you call it? Fractals. I can't never. You know what I mean? Fractals. Rightio. Yes, I'm back off my holiday. So first day back, and I'm kind of making a bit of a mess here. Just having a go at something. We couldn't wait to get back in the art room again. Let's just go over with my heat wand. I've got the little blower that's got the, it's just one I found in a charity shop. It's called a baby WHALES. I can't actually find one the same online, but they're really good that they do bend because they give you a perfect angle to blow out. So, ooh, let's try this baby out. Anybody else would be as a gift or to sell, then I'll just have to, you know. Ooh, that's nice. Maybe, maybe. Ooh, look at that. That would be nice on, maybe it would be nice up there. There, and there, and maybe there. Yeah, I bombed out on this one, didn't I? I just try, but I do not like it. But I absolutely always love what you can change it with a balloon. You certainly can. So, I don't think that using it, the prism pour in this particular one has done any justice to how lovely the prism pour paints are when you're using them for other, you know, say like a bloom or something. It's really not highlighted them very nicely, but I know that the balloon can change things around with things that you're not happy with. For me, you know, it's an absolute saviour sometimes. I know there's lots of people that get frustrated because they say, oh, well, I wish I could use the balloon like that. It really is just practice, and it's just a paint consistency, but this is like a really thin paint consistency, and I wouldn't normally use this for ballooning, but I don't know, it's not absolutely not the best whatsoever. So, but I do know somebody that would like it actually, so I'm going to let it dry and see if it dries. I mean, that's quite nice. So you let me know what you guys think, because it is pleasant like that, but I did not like it without the balloon embellishment. Now these prism pour paints will dry really sparkly, so when you come to put a varnish coat or whatever coat you put on it, resin or varnish, they will just come to life. But I'm kind of doing my chaos blow and balloon, a chaos balloon blow, whatever you call it, whatever you want to call it, I think that looks lovely. The colours are just beautiful. That sapphire blue, it was phthalo blue with iridescent medium in, is sheeny, shiny, really quite pleasant. So you guys let me know what you think. It's actually a nice one that it hasn't got cells in it. So if you're not a lover of having cells in your artwork, then it's definitely a good one. I know the person that will love this, so I am going to leave it to dry off and see if it needs a little bit of touching up with the balloon as it dries, then I'll do so. But for now, I'll give it a go. I'm not happy with it, but I know somebody that will be, and that's all that matters. Give it a go, people. Don't be frightened, it's only paint. You take care of yourselves. Coming up to Christmas, don't stress out about it. You can give gifts any time of year, not just now. Don't have the pressure on you. So it's all about family, friends and acquaintances that you may get together and have a good time with. Until tomorrow, my lovelies, bye for now.